Hey everybody, hope you had a really nice weekend. This is going to be the last, we only have 2 more weeks left. This is going to be the last video in this chapter on units of measurements, and today we're going to be talking about time. Now, we did customary units of measure and the metric system. I'm not sure how much you're going to use that in everyday life, but time you basically practically use all the time. So it's important to know these measurements and how to convert back and forth. And it's really the same thing. If it's longer and you're switching it to something shorter, you're going to multiply. If it's shorter and you're changing it to something longer, you're going to divide. There's only a few things you need to know. A lot of it you probably already know. One day, and then we're going to move on to our last chapter. So we're going to come over here. The smallest unit of time we use is the second. And here are some things to know. We should know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. And we know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. From there, we know that 24 hours equals 1 day. And we know that 7 days equals 1 week. And that is as far as we are going to go. So you might need to change from seconds to minutes, or from minutes to hours, or from hours to minutes. But I might ask you to change from seconds to days, or from minutes to weeks. So sometimes it's more than a one-step process. What you need would, if I asked you to go from seconds to hours, you would have to first find out how many minutes. And then you would find out, once you have the number of minutes, you would find out how many hours that relates to. Remember, a minute is longer than a second, so if you're going from a minute to seconds, you're going to multiply by 60. If you're going from seconds to minutes, you'd be dividing by 60, but you're not really going to have to do that too much. So it's going to be more multiplication, more division, nothing you guys can't handle. And that's going to be it for this chapter. After this, we're going to be doing a couple days on area and perimeter and that kind of stuff, going back to shapes. And then we're going to be done with math for the year. I hope everybody is doing good. I hope you guys are taking part in the virtual field day that our district and our PE teachers have kind of set up for you guys. And I hope you're having fun with that. And we will see you for these next couple of weeks. All right.